Hello, my name is Ryan from AHA English Channel, and this is my series practicing pronunciation for beginners. And in this the third video today, we will learn to the next vowel pairs in English. This is a and a sound. Okay, and I see almost people, maybe almost students, especially Vietnamese people, often make a mistakes when you pronounce two vowel sound, right? So I can make this video. Are you ready? Let's get started. We will start with the A sound. Okay. To make this sound correctly, uh, remember to following three steps. Okay. The first step one, open your mouth naturally. Make like this. Okay. And step two, your tongue is not as high as when you pronounce this E long vowel sound, but a little lower. Okay, and step three, when you pronounce the "a" sound. Okay, this is a short vowel sound. So, you need to pronounce at least 1 second, and your lips, okay, stay still. Okay, on the "a" sound should be short, strong, and firm. Okay, now I want you to watch my mouth carefully and listen all your attention how I pronounce this sound, and then try your best to mimic this sound. Okay, eh, 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 good. Okay. Okay, great. Now let's move to the A sound. To make this sound, following three steps. Okay, step one, open your mouth widely. Step two, put your tongue down to the lowest place it can go, and the tips of the tongue should slightly touch to the bottom of front teeth. Okay? And step three, to make this sound, your lips staying still and you should pronounce in 2 seconds. Okay? Now look at my mouth carefully and listen and repeat after me. Okay? Uh, uh, Okay, good. Now look at the words pair and see the difference between the A and A sound. Okay, X, X, man, man, bread, blood, bear, bear. Okay, good. Now we will practice the A and A sound. Okay, listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, we will start with A sound. Mat, bell, member, pen, check, many. Okay, good. In sentences, Fred said it again and again. Fred said it again and again. Okay, and Peg slept from 6 until 10 and then left. Okay. Peg slept from 6 until 10 and then slept. Good. Okay. Let's rent a tent. Let's rent a tent. Good. And send his friend a letter. Send his friend a letter. Send his friend a letter. Good. Okay. And the next start. Okay. Tat, handle, hand, man, bag. Okay, in sentence, park the bags. There is a man with black pants. There is a man with a black pants. Okay, and sad is the opposite of happy. Sad is the opposite of happy. Good. Okay, and curse is fat. Cut is fat. Okay, good. Okay, that's all I want to show you in this video today. Thanks for watching. See ya.